look like you're sleeping to me. Hey, we're on Ho'okipa Beach.
Look at that one, Ashley,
In,
going into the water.
It's hard to tell what's
Maui, Hawaii. I'm sorry. There's a lot of noisy people around me. There are a lot of people, as you can see, looking. I hope you can see all the turtles out there. Sea turtles, maybe tortoises. There's a little one going in the water down there. See this big ones here? And of course we got some surfers out there. And kite surfers down at the other end. So personally, I've never seen this many turtles in one place. And if I see 4 turtles while I'm snorkeling, that's a good day. So, I just got done saying I've never seen them. I said if I see 4 turtles, that's a good day. I saw 2 today and I was excited.
Are you excited about 100? Is it lucky if you get 100 turtles?
Yeah. 100 turtles is very lucky.
They call that turtle luck. Yeah.
Truck.
Which is different than duck luck.
Truck.
See if we can catch a wave.
Guys on like one of those hoverboard things out there? Yeah, jumping up and down.
They're all paddling for that one wave and they all went over it. Yeah, they're waiting for something. Anyway. Lots of turtly fun. So from Ho'okipa Beach in Maui. I'll see you in the next report.
Yeah.